The following is a conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on May 9th, 1977, in Rishikesh, India.
We are trying to imitate the Western way of life. But it is not possible for us to do that. Our constitution is different, spiritual, and there is material. Now this will be combined. Our government, our people, they want Western way of life, say motor car. So they can purchase motor car from all countries. What is wrong there? We should waste their energy for manufacturing. Similarly, India should produce agricultural products. They want, just like England, and there is no food left. They are everything that import, even vegetables, daily vegetables. Nothing. So, the United Nations, on the basis of spiritual understanding, Ishavāsamidam sarvam, and actually everything belongs to Krishna, God. And we are His sons. Krishna never claimed that Indians are my sons. Krishna said, Sarvajoni Sukham. In every form of life, the living entity, their mother is this material nature, and I am the seed-giving power. On that basis, the civilization should be established, and the instruction of Krishna should be followed by everyone. They will be happy. That is the only way. Otherwise, they will suffer, continue. They are suffering, and they will continue. They will come to despair. So that philosophy, Krishna consciousness, they are trying to distribute all over the world, and they are accepting. This is the first time in the history of the world that foreigners, they are becoming devotees of Krishna. In the history of the world, there was no temple outside India, neither devotee outside.
The entire credit goes to you, sir.
Yes, from historical references it is so, but it can go still farther, and in that way India's glory will be magnified. But unfortunately our leaders and government are careless. They do not know what is India's glory and how India's glory can be distributed. They are trying that India's glory will be magnified by imitating Western Buddha. This is the defect. They can understand that the Western way of life has not given them actual happiness. Otherwise, why these boys, they are coming to India? They are young boys and they are coming from very respectable families, rich families, rich nations. They are no color. They are not come here to earn their livelihood. As we go to England to learn something, technology, and earn our livelihood. They have not come here for that. They have enough food, enough everything, material. They are hankering after some spiritual. Oh, there are two sides. Why are you losing? Our leaders, rather they are misinterpreting Shastra, our leaders, and trying to mold it to the material way of life. This is the pity of the things. Now we should inform in this Krishna consciousness movement, and we are United Nations. There will be no question of nationality. In the Bhagavad Gita, the big leaders, they are reading Bhagavad Gita. But is there any word as nationalism?
None.
Big leaders, they are utilizing Bhagavad Gita for so-called nationalism. Why? It is not a single word as nationalism. And Krishna says, Sarvajoni Sukha. Very nationalism. There is no question. So, the difficulty is they do not understand even the line of Bhagavad Gita. And still, the so-called scholars, philosophers, politicians, they are advertising, I am student. They do not understand even the line. This is my channel. What do you think? They do not understand. Even Gandhi did not understand. Not a single line.
Gandhiji did believe in trusteship theory. Gandhiji believed in trusteship theory of Ishwar.
Trusteship. Trustee, who will be trustee? Who is trustworthy? All thieves and rogues? Who is trustworthy? Trustee is Krishna.
Or he is the owner.
Yeah. So he is the owner. And if you follow Krishna, then you become trustee. If you do not follow Krishna, you are unworthy of trustees. You interpret it in different way, Krishna. And sometimes you say that Krishna is fictitious. Do you not know? Don't you say like that?
No, not. Very passing reference you made once.
Why? That means he does not know what it is.
Who made this reference? Who made this passing reference? For Krishna is fictitious. Who made this reference?
गांधी जी से लिखा था उसने बाय बट in search of the Supreme by Mahatma Gandhi.
I don't speak especially of Gandhi, but there are so many. Everyone takes Bhagavad Gita and misinterprets it. Why? Boli? Why they should misinterpret Bhagavad Gita? What right there?
आपकी विचारधारा से इस परिस्थिति से कभी ऊपर भी आएगा क्या? आपकी विचारधारा से जो हमारे राजनीतिज्ञों की जो हालत है, इससे ऊपर आकर के देश को वास्तव में भगवद गीता का समझने लगेगा?
हमें कोई मुश्किल नहीं है समझने में. ये लोग क्यों मिसइंटरप्रेट करके अपना भी सर्वनाश करते हैं, दूसरे को भी. यही तो हमारा प्रोफेशन. भगवान स्वयं बोल रहे हैं एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम एवं राजस्व सकालीन जोग नष्ट परंपरा. क्योंकि परंपरा टूट गया वो जोग नष्ट हो. The parampara, in the parampara system, the system remains in order. And that is our way of life. We are in India. These men have come newly under Western education. But we have a parampara system. Just like Ramanuja's parampara, Madhacharya parampara, and Vishnu Swami parampara. Still there is Sri Sampradaya, Madhva Sampradaya, Vishnu Swami.
Disciplinic succession. Disciplinic succession.
So Krishna said that the real truth is in the parampara system. You cannot take anything and misinterpret, then it is lost. Suppose, from the very beginning of my life, I have been taught by my father that this is called dicta. Now, if I misinterpret in a different way, then it is lost. Call a spade a spade. And Krishna very distinctly says that because the parampara system is now lost, I have again speaking to Purata. Find out this word, Purata. Yoga Pratam Purata. Why speaking Puratan, not new interpretation? Bali?
Saivayam maya teja yogaha prokta puratanaha bhartoshimi sakajeti rahasim gita tutham.
This is the chapter 3, beginning.
Fourth chapter.
Read it again.
That very ancient science is the relationship.
No, that slow.
Saivayam maya
Saiva. Aham.
maya teja yogaha prokta.
Yoga prakta pura. Krishna never said, although in Bhagavad Gita, yoga is spoken by him, he never said that because now time has passed away, circumstances different, so I can say you in a new way. There is no such foolishness. But these people, they speak Bhagavad Gita in a new way. More than Krishna. His rascals are more than Krishna. So we are guided by them. They think of themselves as more intelligent than Krishna. This is the difficulty in India. बलि स्नान क्या हुआ? बड़े बड़े आचार्य लोग भगवान उवास, वैदिक से भगवान उवास, और ये कहते हम भगवान से भी ज्यादा रस कलाई के unnecessarily, if one is proud without any qualification, he is a rascal. ये मुश्किल है, सब अपना अपना मैन्युफैक्चर है। तो कृष्ण बोला है जो उपलब्ध पूरा, और दिस इज ऑल्सो सेड दैट भक्तोषी प्रियोषी, the system of Bhagavad Gita, it can be understood only for the bhaktos. Otherwise, why he should select Arjuna as the perfect audience? Because Arjuna was not a Vedantist. He was Grihastha, belonging to royal family. He was dealing in politics. So, the so-called Vedantists and Sannyasis, they are supposed to be students of Bhagavad Gita. But Krishna selected him not because he was a Vedanta, he was not even Brahmin. He was Kshatriya, politician, Grihastha, not Vedantis, ordinary knowledge. But Krishna selected him.
He was Bhakt and Sakha.
Bhakta means he must be servant, Sakha, or father, or conjugal lover. They are Bhakta. There are 5 rasas. So, Bhakta is situated in one of them. Shanta Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya, that is Vrindavan atmosphere. So, Bhakta means either Arjuna Sakhe, by friendship, Arjuna became perfect. By making Krishna his friend. Hanuman Dasya, Bajrangaji, Hanuman, he served Lord Ramchandra. The order. He is not even human being, animal, bandar, not very intelligent. But by giving service constantly, he is worshipped till now. So, as soon as you become a bhakta, you must be related with Krishna with some rasa, some particular position. That is bhakta. So the point is that without becoming a bhakta, nobody can understand. A politician cannot understand. They simply make their artificial attempt to understand, they will never understand. It is locked. Just like a bottle of honey. I give you, here is a bottle of honey. And you do, oh, it is honey, let me lick up the bottle. So will you get the taste? No. So similarly, they are leaking out the bottle, not inside. Rasam, uttamam. They have no information. They are leaking a bottle. I am reading the bottle. For this reason, our country has fallen so much. But it can be revived again when things are already there. Bhagavad Gita is there, Krishna is there, the instruction is there. If you take it, then it will immediately change the face of the whole world. Immediately, without it. But we are so stubborn, doggies, that will manifest. अब इसका क्या दावा है? और उसी का एजेंस में हम व्यस्त करें. We're standing against this stubborn doggish mentality. We have got no difficulty, at the same time very, very difficult task. No difficulty if you accept Bhagavad Gita as it is, no difficulty. But if you don't accept, it's great difficulty. In the foreign countries, they are not stubborn doggies. They accept what is said in the Bhagavad. Therefore, the young man, they are very easily becoming devotees. Krishna was less intelligent that he left Bhagavad Gita to be interpreted by some rascal philosopher or politician. He was not intelligent enough to clear the idea. If Kurukshetra is meant body, why you should bring in the name of Kurukshetra the bodily conception of that? What is it? Dharmakhetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta, Mamaka, Pano. Dharmakhetra, Kurukshetra is still there. Why Kurukshetra should be interpreted as something else?
You have cautioned the reader in this translation. You have cautioned the reader to read the Bhagavad Gita as it is.
Yes. That is the way. And their purpose is that Bhagavad Gita should be utilized for my rascal. This is. ये सब छोड़िए, भगवत गीता as it is लीजिए, आप लोग सब सुखी होंगे। ये हम लोग का पास दिस इज आवर। Don't manufacture nonsense. It will never be successful.
This is all about the nation and the national dress.
First of all, there is no question of nationality. This is all bogus.
That you have spoken for. Our request is how best we can implement the teaching of Gita in critical days.
It is already there. It is already there.
Yes,
You kindly take it.
How to implement in our daily life.
You understand?
So much
The
difficult.
difficulty is you do not understand even a line of Bhagavad Gita, still you say that you are a student of it.
Yes.
This is difficult.
Then how to understand it?
It is there already. But you are blind. You are cheater. You see things one thing and you speak another thing. You are cheating. Now, in the beginning of the Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna surrendered to Krishna as a student, Shishastyam Sadhima Banda. Krishna, there will be no utility by arguing. I know that I am not doing my duty. I am Kshatriya, I am in the active faith, and I am declining to fight. This is not good for me. Karpanna doso abhata sabha. Oh, I can understand, but I am puzzled that how I can kill such enemies who are my family member. This is my problem. देखिए तो मक्खी कितना परेशान करती है ऐसी दुनिया हम लोग उधर सुखी होने मक्खी आकर के आपको खत्म कर दे एंड वी वांट टू बी हेल्प पिता जॉनसन थ्री टाइप्स majorly always. So Krishna, when took charge of teaching him, the first lesson was that Arjuna, you have talked like a very learned man, but you are not learned. Asatyananusūtastam pragyāvādānsuna gatāsun agatāsun nanusūtanti pandita. You are taking care of the body, which is a lump of matter, combination of 5 elements, earth, water, air, fire. And you are concerned with this nonsense matter, you have no information on the real thing, and you are talking with language. This is the first. And then he said that actual person is within the body. There is nothing, Yathadevi, Kaumara, as you are changing body in this status, from childhood to boyhood to similarly, when you give us this body, you get another body. Tatha dehantarata. So, you have to change your body. Today you are Indian, tomorrow you become Pakistani. Then again fight. This is like that. Today you are European, tomorrow you become Indian. Today you are man, tomorrow you become a dog. If you have got love for your country, but your work is doggy, then you become a dog. And who cares for the national dog? And the street dog at night, he takes charge of the street. Nobody has appointed. But he takes charge and whole life, long. If somebody new man enters the neighborhood, I am in charge. Why you are in charge? This is the way. I am leader of this country. So, what is this civilization? And Krishna said, I am the leader. He said, Bhoktaram Jantatokam Sarvalokamaya Sridam Tadabhutam. I am the leader, I am the friend, well-wisher of everyone. And if a dog says, I am the leader, I am the well-wisher, so which way we shall go? I shall accept the dog as leader and well-wisher as Krishna. But a barking dog or Krishna?
Naturally Krishna.
And he said, Sridam Sarvabhuta. I can adjust things. You are not taking. First Thursday, from all angles of vision, if you study Bhagavad Gita, everything is perfectly here. And if you take it seriously, you become happy in this life and beyond the rest. If you simply accept Krishna as he said, then what is the result? Krishna said, Janma karma digbam me jo janati tatra taktadriyam punarjanma. Mami punarjanma tathadriyantara prati. But one who has understood Krishna perfectly, it is not possible to understand it. But as far as possible, as far as our knowledge is concerned, if we understand Krishna, then immediate result is that we are free from the bondage of Janma Mrityu Jara. That is the real problem. We are solving problems, this problem, that problem, that problem. They are not problems. That is natural in this material world. Just like this fly is disturbing. This is not a problem. The fly is made for that purpose. You cannot stop it. You can protect it. It's not possible to stop it. This is not problem. How to drive away the fly. The real problem, Krishna says, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshana. That you are in the cycle of birth, death, Katha Devantara Prapti, you get another life, and you suffer, again you get another life. This is your problem. That problem, Krishna says, that you can solve it. Simply try to understand. Janma karma dibbam medu janati tattadiham. That is our business. But we are being deviated from the real business and we are being engaged in so-called thisism, that means spoiling. Asadadhana pura dharma shastra karam sabha mama prapya nivartante nitya samsara vasya. This life, this human form of life, is meant for understanding the real problem of life and to solve it. This is the opportunity. And Krishna personally coming to instruct you, you solve in this way. But you are so doggish, you will not. How can you? Then become a dog. Nature's law is what? Karanam gunasangharsa sadasajjama joni. If you remain dog, if you don't become a human being, then all that you become a dog. Next life. Tatha. Then take charge of this street and give them. With this for this purpose, we request every one of you that you study Bhagavad Gita very seriously and apply in your practical life and teach it to others. That is practical. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. We simply repeat. Don't misinterpret. Well, this is Chaitanya. Every one of you become a guru, not a buffer, but a guru, real guru. How real guru? I can become, I have no problem. Jare dato tariko Krishna. He simply take the words of Krishna and preach. Krishna said, Maktam Paradaram Nandya. You simply repeat, sir, Krishna is the Supreme Being. What is the difficulty? Krishna said, there is no superior authority than me. You simply say, Krishna is the supreme authority. That's all. Krishna said, Manmana bhagavad bhakta madhyayina. You breathe. Come here in the temple, see Krishna's duty, and always think of him. Where is the difficulty? Now these Europeans and Americans, what I have done to them, I have not given them a bribe. I say, here is Krishna, he is God. They accept it. What's his name? Manvana Bhagavan. Just if you cannot do anything, just stop and one out, obesity. Namaskar. Any child can do. They have done it. And they are going ahead. क्यों इसको लेंगे? Unsun bhaktas. Krishna Upadesh is there. Perfect Upadesh. उसमें इंटरप्रिटेशन करके और अनशन भक्त करके अपना टाइम भी बर्बाद और दूसरे का टाइम भी बर्बाद. ये सब इसको स्टॉप कीजिए. जो हो गया हो हम ये सब खत्म किए. As Krishna said, you try to assimilate it and distribute. There is no way. Krishna says, मतलब परतरम ना हमको समझाने कृष्ण से ये समझाने के लिए हम 84 बुक्स लिखा each book 400 in 10 years and we are selling correctly by selling book 5 to 6 lakhs of rupees daily in foreign countries. What is that qualification? We have tried to convince people that Krishna is the Supreme Being. Ishara Brahma Krishna. सभी ईश्वर है, गॉड है, बाकी परमेश्वर ईश्वर परम सुप्रीम बीइंग की ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विद्या ये फॉर्मलेस नहीं, निराकार नहीं, सच्चिद आनंद रूप सच्चिदानंद विग्रह विग्रह बताया। विग्रह का अर्थ होता है फॉर्म, फॉर्मलेस नहीं। फॉर्मलेस इज अनदर फीचर, रियल फीचर इज श्याम सुंदर जन श्याम सुंदरम अचिंत गुणस्वरूपम प्रेमान जन सुरित भक्ति विलोचन संत सदैव हृदय विलोकन जन श्याम सुंदरम अचिंत गोविंद गोविंद श्याम सुंदर त्रिभुज मुरलीधर the Supreme Being, taking instruction, always think of him, to become perfect. Where is the difficulty? बोलिए, क्यों आप डिफिकल्ट पोजिशन क्रिएट करते हैं? Why do you create difficult positions? This is why. You surrender to Krishna, everything is so. It is up to you whether you prefer to be beaten by shoes continually or you surrender to Krishna. That depends on you. We have got Mahabharata. There is not a single instance. We had very, very great qualified women, but they were in charge of state. Very, very qualified men. न स्वतंत्रताम अर्हति स्त्रिया और woman there is no independence. The monosangha. They must be under father, under husband, or under elderly sons. 3 steps. जब तक शादी ना हो घर ये तो आज 20-25 वर्ष पहले भी यही हमारा इंडियन यंग गर्ल कैनॉट गो आउट विदाउट फादर मदर they cannot mix with any other young man strictly private. टूट फूट गया है। अब if you want to revive real Indian civilization or basic civilization or the good of the whole human society, take to Krishna consciousness. It will be very well.
How can you fight a war and then be non-violent at the same time?
How is it possible to be non-violent? Why you want non-violence? You're talking so much about non-violence. That's the idea of the bhakti. Is it not violence? I'm trying to divert it. There will attack, and you have to protect you. This world is not like that. It is not Vaikuntha. It is material world. There will be attack. Even if you are non-violent, the others will be violent. Others will set fire in your house without any fault. They'll kidnap your wife. This is going on all over the world. You must protect yourself. चोर डाकू सब आता नहीं जबरदस्ती अब चाहते हैं चोर डाकू हमारा घर में आए लूट ले वो आता है अभी कैन स्टॉप इट thieves and rogues. Even if you are not married, they will come, take advantage. It is your duty. What is meant by non-violence? There is no meaning. Simple imagination. That's all.
What you to call Mahatma Gandhi's non-violence?
I do not wish to discuss Mahatma. We are talking of philosophy. But you cannot stop violence. That is not possible.
Krishna says, Mama Nusmara Yujija.
There is some word, the meaning is not clear. Then you can suggest the meaning may be like this. But when it is clear, there is no chance of interpreting.
As for example, which are those such words which require some clarification or which can be interpreted like a
because when it is clear, why should you interpret?
For other words?
Other words are these come for you. So when it is clear, just that, then why should you interpret? The example is there in the Shastra, Rama, just like the example is given, by interpretation required. It is said, the example is given like Gangayam Ghosapalli. There is a neighborhood called Ghosapalli of the Ganges. So then you can ask, the Ganga is water, how there is a neighborhood? Then the interpretation not on the Ganges water, but on the bank. Then interpretation. When it is clear that on the bank of the Ganges there is a neighborhood called Ghosapalli, then what is interpretation? Interpretation will be required when the meaning is not clear. Otherwise, if the meaning is clear, that is Ustadi. In the Bhagavad Gita, in the first line, the word is used Jujutsava, desiring to fight. So desiring to fight, the assembly they must fight. So what is the question of interpretation? But I'm ready or not?
Yeah. About 16.
So I'll stick to you. I like you so many.
Every day there'll be darshan. 5 to 6.
Daily?
Every day.
all आपको शूट नहीं होता खास में बिरला कथा है
Why is that?
There is a big hall here.
Hall over here.
There is a big hall here where a lot of people can come because a lot of people want to listen to you.
ये आपको गायब कर दिए तो हम जाएंगे हमारा क्या इधर
मैनेजर बैठे हुए हैं वो हाल में ठीक रहेगा
हाँ जाना पड़ेगा
वो तो बहुत
It is only 100 feet, yes, not more than that.
तो आप लोग जैसे चाहिए हो जाएगा
उसमें कम से कम
वो अरेंजमेंट हो जाएगा
अरेंजमेंट तो
जाने का कष्ट नहीं हो
वो तो डोली है आराम से
कितनी हो
Yes, so many books with these implements.
We have a few books here.
So you can saw some of them.
कीर्तन बहुत अच्छा
हाँ
तो समझ से बढ़िया
भी हो सकता है कीर्तन
करो कीर्तन परफॉर्म कीर्तन दिया
हाल में बहुत अच्छा
हल में so go to the hall and begin कीर्तन
तो हाल में ही
5 to 6 वो ठीक है कभी
हाँ
कल tomorrow
tomorrow evening
right now Guruji says we can go
so you can go and have कीर्तन
वो बहुत बड़ा है उसका
हाँ।
but we can start it here itself sir
हाँ
today for some time
oh yes
for 10 minutes time
oh yes
तो आज नहीं होगा आज होगा
हाँ
Shiva Daya, Krishna Vistaya,